Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm really thankful for you all to sharing valuable time this video. In this video, we'll learn that how we can know that which thing is trending on the Google, so that which is very helpful for making top or best keywords, or for making blogs or website for that topic which is trending on the Google. So it is very helpful for our traffic source. So let's know in this video. Simply you have to open your browser, and after that here text Google Trends. You have to click on the first websites. After that you have to click on the globe option on the right hand side upward, and here select your country. I'm selecting here random Australia. To get the topic recently trending which is on the Google, you may see here. From the year wise also you may see the trending topics, and I selected year 2016. From here you may see also different media. And after that left hand side 3 lines is there. From here you may see trending sources. Daily, real time. Top charts also here. I'm select here country as well as here. Instead this thing. Global people, laws, these all the things. Let's see here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all to making top keywords as well as making blog or website for good traffic source. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the next video, and thank you all of you.